Let's make the Pink Rum Drink. To make this drink, we are going to start with our coconut water. 1.5 ounces of coconut water is 45 milliliters, and use any coconut water that you desire. 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice, and the original pink drink recipe does call for ocean spray, which has sweetener in it. I'm using unsweetened organic. You don't have to use organic, but use unsweetened. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Simple syrup. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of 1:1 simple syrup. I'm using raw cane sugar. Simple syrup, use white if you so desire. And if you want to get really spicy, try a brown, see how that turns out. 1 ounce of your white rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your black rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. I'm going to grab my Garnish quick. Garnish grabbed, I'm going to single strain this into the glass. And I'm going to drop 1 maraschino cherry in there. And there you have it. The Pink Rum Drink. Drink with good spirits.